Mechanical Engineer. Mechanical engineers design and build machines, engines, and tools that make modern life possible. They work on everything from automobiles and airplanes to industrial robots and home appliances. Some specialize in renewable energy systems, like wind turbines and solar panels. Civil Engineer. Civil engineers design and construct infrastructure like roads, bridges, buildings, and water supply systems. Structural engineers ensure buildings and bridges can withstand earthquakes and heavy loads. Transportation engineers design highways, airports, and rail systems to keep cities running smoothly. Electrical Engineer. Electrical engineers work with electricity, designing circuits, power grids, and electronic devices. They develop everything from power plants and electric cars to smartphones and medical equipment. Some work on renewable energy sources like solar power systems and smart grids. Computer Engineer. Computer engineers combine electrical engineering and computer science to develop hardware and software. They design microprocessors, computer networks, and cybersecurity systems. Many work in artificial intelligence, robotics, and cloud computing. Software Engineer. Software engineers write and design programs, applications, and operating systems. They develop mobile apps, video games, and artificial intelligence programs. Some specialize in cybersecurity, ensuring that data remains safe from hackers. Aerospace Engineer. Aerospace engineers design and develop aircraft, spacecraft, and drones. Aeronautical engineers focus on airplanes, helicopters, and fighter jets. Astronautical engineers work on rockets, satellites, and space exploration missions. Chemical Engineer. Chemical engineers work with chemicals and materials to create everything from medicines to fuels. They develop new drugs, food preservatives, and eco-friendly plastics. Many work in petroleum refining, ensuring efficient fuel production. Biomedical Engineer. Biomedical engineers design medical equipment, prosthetics, and healthcare technology. They develop artificial organs, advanced imaging devices, and robotic surgical tools. Some focus on genetic engineering and biotechnology for disease treatments. Environmental Engineer. Environmental engineers develop solutions to environmental problems like pollution and waste management. They design water purification systems, recycling programs, and air pollution control methods. Many work in sustainable energy, helping reduce carbon footprints. Structural Engineer. Structural engineers ensure that buildings, bridges, and tunnels are strong and stable. They analyze materials and designs to make structures resistant to earthquakes and heavy loads. Their work is essential in designing skyscrapers, stadiums, and dams. Robotics Engineer. Robotics engineers create intelligent machines that can perform tasks autonomously. They develop industrial robots for manufacturing, medical robots for surgery, and AI-driven assistants. Some focus on humanoid robots and self-driving vehicles. Nuclear Engineer. Nuclear engineers work with nuclear energy, developing reactors for power generation. They also work on nuclear medicine, radiation therapy, and safety protocols for handling radioactive materials. Some specialize in nuclear fusion, a potential future energy source. Petroleum Engineer. Petroleum engineers extract oil and natural gas from deep underground. They design drilling techniques and improve oil recovery methods. Many work on reducing the environmental impact of fossil fuel extraction. Industrial Engineer. Industrial engineers optimize production processes to increase efficiency and reduce costs. They design assembly lines, supply chains, and logistics networks. Many work in manufacturing, healthcare, and e-commerce industries. Materials Engineer. Materials engineers develop new materials for industries like aerospace, construction, and medicine. They create lightweight metals for airplanes and biocompatible materials for medical implants. Some work with nanotechnology, designing advanced materials at the atomic level. Marine Engineer. Marine engineers design and build ships, submarines, and offshore structures. They work on naval ships, cargo vessels, and oil rigs. Many focus on designing eco-friendly ships with reduced fuel consumption. Mining Engineer. Mining engineers extract minerals and metals from the earth safely and efficiently. They develop techniques for mining gold, diamonds, and rare earth elements. Some work in sustainable mining to reduce environmental damage. Agricultural Engineer. Agricultural engineers improve farming equipment, irrigation systems, and food production techniques. They develop automated farming machinery and sustainable farming methods. Some work on genetically modified crops and soil conservation techniques. Geotechnical Engineer. Geotechnical engineers study soil and rock behavior to design stable foundations for structures. They ensure that buildings, bridges, and tunnels are built on safe and stable ground. Their work is essential for preventing landslides and sinkholes. Automotive Engineer. Automotive engineers design and develop cars, motorcycles, and trucks. They work on fuel efficiency, aerodynamics, and electric vehicle technology. Some specialize in high-performance sports cars and autonomous driving systems. Optical Engineer. Optical engineers develop technologies related to light, such as cameras, lasers, and fiber optics. They create advanced microscopes, telescopes, and virtual reality headsets. Many work in medical imaging and laser surgery technologies. Audio Engineer. Audio engineers design and optimize sound systems for music, films, and live events. They work on recording studios, concert halls, and sound effects for movies. Some specialize in designing noise-canceling technology and acoustics. Railway Engineer. Railway engineers design and maintain railway systems, including tracks, trains, and signals. They improve train speeds, efficiency, and safety. Some work on high-speed rail systems and metro networks. Safety Engineer. Safety engineers ensure that workplaces, factories, and buildings follow safety regulations. They design fire prevention systems, emergency protocols, and industrial safety equipment. Many work in construction, chemical plants, and transportation industries. Textile Engineer. Textile engineers develop fabrics and clothing materials with advanced properties. They design moisture-wicking sportswear, fire-resistant uniforms, and biodegradable fabrics. Many work in the fashion, medical, and automotive industries. As you can see, engineering is a vast and fascinating field with endless opportunities. Whether it's building skyscrapers, designing robots, or creating eco-friendly technology, engineers shape the future of our world. Which type of engineering interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos where we explain everything in minutes.